So tonight I'm gonna be test fitting my M3 replica bumper. So as you can see, it's in. It's polypropylene and my carbon fiber lip, which is down here. Obviously the bumper isn't painted or anything like that. Hopefully if it fits tonight, if it fits well and everything lines up the way it should, I would be taking it to the shop tomorrow to get it painted. I don't know whether it'll get painted in a day or a couple days. It shouldn't be that big of a turnaround time, but hopefully it gets painted fast, because as soon as it gets painted, it and the lip is going to get installed onto here, and this front end is about to look beautiful. So first things first, obviously take off this bumper, put on that one, see how well it fits, and then if it fits well, I'll just take everything back off and put this one back on for now, or I might just leave it off. I don't know, still deciding. So stick with me. It's going to be exciting. Looks like my lip came in today. I wasn't expecting it to come in this soon. Pretty big package. I'm excited to open it. It should be, so it's a full carbon fiber lip for the wagon. It's for the M3 replica bumper that I got. So I'm super excited to open it up kind of and just take a look at what it looks like.
Recording it for your YouTube channel?
Oh. Well, all I can say is that it's definitely packaged well. Realize that I'm like not actually. I'm probably not even gonna use this. That's the first thing I've ever shot. An unboxing video.
Good tape. 3M. Yeah, that's it. Sturdy tape.
Some
The foam is really.
some four ply.
Oh.
4-ply foam.
How many plies?
I think I should use this as toilet paper.
Good.
Dude, if we run out, I know what I'm using. Imagine how soft this would be.
Not very.
It's foam.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow.
That's actually kind of nice.
Carbon fiber.
I like it.
Wow.
It looks good. Well, now that I know it's not entirely carbon fiber.
No, it's not.
But
why carbon fiber lips $700 for cardboard? I got mine carbon fiber for
it's $300.
$300. It's entire carbon fiber.
Hey,
This is
pretty good for.
build quality.
It's pretty good for $300. I'm not gonna lie. It looks good. So
I think it's just a carbon fiber like wrap.
no,
A very thin layer on the outside.
it could be. I hope it's actual carbon fiber, because if it's just carbon fiber wrap, I could have done that myself for a lot cheaper than $300.
Tim got scammed.
Yeah. Okay. Well, there's the lip.
Say say goodbye to the viewers.
Hey, later I'm gonna try to actually put this on the bumper and make sure it somewhat fits. Hopefully it does, because I don't want to have to return it.
All right, let's do a transition. Ready? Go.
Right.
You gotta hold it. Hold it. How do I stop filming the top?
You just click the top.
Burning bridges to the ground. So take away what's left of me. Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, which we crossed. blinded by the light ahead. Thought about just what you said. Connecting lives is what you planned. After all, let's take a chance. Turning dust into diamonds. Turning love into guidance. A second chance, let us commence. That's what I love. The life I see. What's left in me? Burning bridges to the ground. Take away what's left of me. Burning bridges to the ground.
Unfortunately, the battery on my main camera died while I was not even all the way done with this, pretty much when I had just gotten to taking it off. So I'm gonna try to set up the GoPro so that you guys can see me trying to put on the bumper, and just to make sure that it all fits and kind of sits where it needs to. So yeah, see how that goes.
Burning bridges to the ground.
So just finished putting on the bumper and kind of test fitting the lip. Overall, Fitment is like, it's really good. It's like pretty much exactly like factory. You can see it lines up well there. The hood line is good. This also lines up really well. I'll have to figure out. So the only issues I ran into was the oil cooler is right up in there, and I had to take off the air duct that feeds air to the oil cooler, so I might have to cut some of the ducts to get everything to work properly with the M3 intake right here on this side. But other than that, and the bumper's a little stiff. You could see it doesn't perfectly line up with the end of the headlight, but I mean, for $220, it's polypropylene. It should survive a crash, hopefully. It's good. I love it. Here's the lip, test fitted. I don't know how I'm gonna get in and out of driveways. Right here, this is my ground clearance, and I think it'll settle a little bit more once everything's actually installed and the car rolls back and forth a couple times. So speed bumps are gonna be fun when I do have to go over them. So it'll be coming off tomorrow, most likely, getting painted, hopefully, and then once it's painted, back on the car, installed and ready to go. I had my friends literally keeping me company this whole time. So the quarantine days call for Zoom calls with the buddies and working on the car at the same time. It's really fun. I encourage you to try it if you want to. So yeah, that's about it. See you next time.